Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's Tara Molina live from my listing here at 197 Hillcrest Drive here in the beautiful community of Hillcrest and Airdrie. And we're gonna just do a virtual tour of this incredible property. It recently had a price reduction and it is just absolutely spectacular from top to bottom. Move-in ready, fully finished, offers 3 bedrooms up, bedroom downstairs, and so many nice details. So entering the home, you immediately are welcomed into this nice and open foyer. I want to really highlight this massive front closet. It's a walk-in closet, tons and tons of room for your guests or to store your outerwear. Heading into the home, you're going to notice gorgeous hardwood floors and this beautiful open concept living, dining, kitchen area. This home, you would think, is a show home, but it's owner occupied, move-in ready, beautiful subway tile, gorgeous corner pantry, granite countertops, beautiful stainless steel appliances. Now I definitely want to highlight the backyard area. It's phenomenal. So I'm just gonna open this. So it's fully finished top to bottom, beautiful privacy area up top on the deck. Tons of room, big table, you can see a barbecue out here, so much storage. Then you can take steps down to your huge backyard. Now I'm just gonna do a pan, actually I'll head on down here since it's so lovely. We'll do a bird's eye view of the backyard once we head upstairs as well, but this backyard is massive. Vegetable gardens, you have storage built out under the deck, beautiful exterior appeal. Again, 197 Hillcrest Drive here in Airdrie. For all of the information, you can check out my website, taramolina.com/197, and you can book in a tour. And I'd love to show you this incredible property. So I'm just gonna shut that door and head on in. We're gonna head upstairs and then we're gonna check out the basement. So heading up, the light is just spilling through this home. It is a north-facing backyard. Beautiful south exposure on the front. At the top of the stairs, you have your huge laundry room. Around the corner, you have your shelves that go all the way. And then you have your bonus room on this level as well. Beautiful cordless window coverings. Bonus room, and up a few stairs, you have your 3 bedrooms. There's art niches throughout. So many neat little details in this incredible home. To the left, you have bedroom 1 of 3. This bedroom features a walk-in closet with a beautiful window for natural light. Across the hall is your main bath. Lots of space there. Okay, we're back in the hallway. So there was the pink, beautiful room, and here's the beautiful blue room, bedroom 2 of 3. Themed as Baby Shark. I won't get that song in your head. Now we have the master retreat. 197 Hillcrest Drive here in beautiful Hillcrest and Airdrie, just down the road from the new school. Gorgeous accent wall, large walk-in closet. We also have that bird's eye view I was promising you of the backyard. Check out that backyard. That could be yours. 197 Hillcrest Drive here in Airdrie. Double vanity. You have your huge soaker tub. And then tucked around the side is your standalone shower. So much space, making mornings a breeze to get ready. For all of the details, check out my website, taramolina.com/197, and I'm happy to give you information you need, set up a private virtual tour, or even just come and tour you myself. I actually just walked through some buyers right before this video, and yeah, their comments were pretty amazing about this home. So we're heading downstairs, so you have a couple steps and then you're heading into the mudroom area. So you have a secondary coat closet. Through this door is your powder room. So I'll just peek so you can kind of see. You have your double attached garage through here. It's worth showing because it's already, oops, I should turn that light on. Sorry guys. You're fully drywalled, tons of space, nice and clean. And then you have your fully finished basement. So for all of the details, 197 Hillcrest Drive, you can check out my website, taramolina.com/197. There's a lot of storage in this home as well. So this goes around the corner, that's under the stairs. Beautiful pot lights. This is called a sunshine basement. Here's your main fun room. And then you have your full bathroom here as well, finished so beautifully. Your guests will enjoy it. Another closet here for storage and a room tucked right around the corner. They're using this as an office. It could be a playroom, could be turned into a bedroom. And then last but not least, your utility room for added storage. For all of the information on this incredible opportunity here in Hillcrest, check out my website, taramolina.com/197, and then reach out to me with any questions you have or to set up your own private tour of this incredible opportunity here in Hillcrest. I'm going to finish up the video by just heading back upstairs and doing a pan of that gorgeous open concept main living area. So this home is finished top to bottom. It offers just under 2,000 square feet plus that finished basement. But here's that pan of the upper level, 197 Hillcrest Drive, the perfect opportunity for you to make a move. taramolina.com is where you're going to find all of the information. Reach out and let's chat about this beautiful property. Have a question about real estate? Reach out as well. taramolina.com is where you're going to find all of the information. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.